god. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be putting all of the summer update, or the whatever it's called, summer splash, all the summer splash update cosmetics on a tier list. Now let's get with this. Like that it can sway, I guess. It's cool. It's very cheap. It's only like 2,200, I think. I give it a. I don't really like it though. So this is all my opinion now. So I give it a. Like, I would never wear this, so I gotta give it like a D tier. Okay. Little Ducky is amazing, but the only thing is, it takes away my this red thing, so I'm not really gonna wear that. But it does look amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna give this A tier. It would have been S tier if it didn't take away my thing. Same thing goes for this. I actually might even buy this. I actually this morning I actually was about to buy this, but instead I got the egg. They're the same price. Good deal. It's the only shirt that does not make you look fat. Oh, so yeah, I gave it an 8 tier already. I just wish they were a bit less expensive. I already have 2 of these, but this is definitely the best one. It goes so good with my outfit here. I give it a 8 tier. Again, Glizzy deserves S. Wait. It doesn't have any ketchup on it. Okay, I'll give it a B tier then. It doesn't have any ketchup, man. Why am I eating it? Ugh. I love ketchup and mustard, but not. Bam. This is cool because it's just like this. I give it a. I give it a B tier because like all the kids that all kids in Bone Lab that are not Bone Lab. This is Gorilla Tag. Oh my gosh. Like every kid that's in the shop, like younger kids, it's just like, you guys are in the property. So I'll give it a B tier. This is like our second drinkable cosmetic. Pina colada. Get it. Okay. A tier. I like the drinkable drinks. This is S tier. It's probably the only cosmetic on here that I'd actually wear that takes away my beautiful red thing. Yeah, this is S tier. My friend has this. If you go straight, if you go long arms, it can look like your arms are going through the leg holes. The floaties. Oh yeah. Big tough guy needs his floaties. It does still take away my thing. B tier. You know, it would have looked better if the shades were actually black. So I gotta give this a... It looks like you're a fly. Now this gets a C tier. No, a D tier. I really don't like it. This gets a... I know lots of people like this, but I wasn't much of a fan. I'll give it a B tier. Doesn't even take away my egg. Octopus holding the egg. Oh. Ow. Okay. I can somehow be off topic, but I can randomly do that without taking off my headset. See, my hands are here. Ow! I fell over. Okay. Okay. First up, we have this guy. He gets an F tier. Balloons are very overrated. I thought they were so cool until I actually bought one. They're horrible. Especially with that cursed face on it. I don't think I've actually seen a single person in a lobby wear this. You know, I'm gonna go into one lobby, and if they are wearing this gets an S tier. If anyone in the lobby is. Okay, let's go. Okay, is anyone wearing the mermaid cosmetic? Is anyone wearing the mermaid cosmetic? Yeah, so this gets a B tier. Take it off. What the heck? I can't take it off. Help me. Okay, I'll just rate the ice cream while it's stuck on. Okay, the ice cream's nice. Got chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. I love the fudge inside the cone. You can't eat the cone. Ah! B tier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. We got a hat. Oh, it didn't fall down that time. Okay. Got a hat. I give this hat... It looks kind of funny, and it doesn't take off my egg. So, I'll give it a A tier. I can't take off the mermaid! And that was the last thing on here. Now, if I could please just take... You know, I just gotta... Much better. Much better. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!